Welcome back, team. Damian Alvarez here, EHS Director, and for today's Safety Bite, we have a special guest.
I'm Justin Singletary, Superintendent.
So today what we're going to talk about is how to prepare for a task, and today's task is going to be excavations. So as we said, we're going to talk about what we need to do before we start this task. So Justin, what's one of the first things that you did?
Well, first and foremost, Damien, we called 811 to make sure there wasn't any underground utilities or anything we might strike along the way.
Okay.
So we came out actually and did a visual soil sample test as well. We noticed that it's Class C material and everything went from there. We know we got to slope it and not bench.
Awesome. So as he said, this is Class C material, so he came out here, even though we had a soil test and everything, we still came out here, did a visual test and a manual test, and it is Class C soil. And as he said, we can't bench this. So our options were to slope it, but for this task, we went ahead and we're going to use a trench box. So Justin, you called 811, you found out if there were any utilities out here, and there was no utilities. What was the next step that you guys did?
So actually, sir, we actually potholed again to make sure we had no extra underground utilities that they might have missed during the actual survey.
So potholing, if you guys have never seen it or seen that in work, it's where we go and test the soil, and we hydro vacuum or we use water to test to make sure that there is no utilities. Even though 811 came out, we're still going above and beyond because we want to ensure that when we get out here, our guys are not going to be in any type of danger. If you notice, what Justin is doing is all part of our underground utility program. He's following all the steps that we put there. You know, he called 811, we figured out where the lines were at, they were marked down, he potholed, and then the next thing that you did?
We actually went off survey points and marked all parts that we're going to cut, and then that's when the excavation begins.
So if you notice, one of the things that Justin just did here is even before they put a shovel into the ground, is that he planned the work, right? Because it's important for us to do this because we want to make sure that our people are protected, and we're doing everything possible for that, right, Justin?
Yes, sir. You got to remember, plan the work before you work the plan. It keeps everyone safe, keeps everyone out of trouble.
So again, guys, let's just remember that we have to plan all our work and all our tasks in order that we can maximize efficiency, safety, productivity, and quality.
And remember, for any more additional information, please reach out to your area manager or safety manager. And always, thank you for your time.